Email marketing continues to be one of the most effective ways to engage customers, nurture leads, and increase sales. But for WordPress site owners, relying on external SaaS platforms like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign can get expensive and complicated, especially when your audience data already lives inside WordPress. Fluent CRM solves that problem by bringing full-featured email marketing automation into your WordPress dashboard. Fluent CRM is a self-hosted plugin that gives you complete control over your contact database, email campaigns, and automations without leaving your site. It integrates seamlessly with plugins like WooCommerce, LearnDash, Fluent Forms, and dozens of other popular tools. Whether you run an e-commerce store, membership site, or online course platform, Fluent CRM helps you communicate with your audience in a smarter, more personalized way. In this video, we'll break down the core features that make Fluent CRM so powerful, explain how they benefit WordPress site owners, and show why it's one of the best email marketing tools for beginners and growing businesses. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the contact management and audience segmentation. Fluent CRM acts as a full CRM inside WordPress. You can add contacts manually, import via CSV, or sync automatically from forms, purchases, or memberships. Contacts can be tagged, segmented, and filtered based on behavior, what they buy, which courses they complete, which forms they fill out, and more. You can also store custom fields for even more personalization. This level of segmentation helps you send the right message to the right person at the right time. You'll improve open and click-through rates by tailoring content to specific customer interests, leading to better conversions and stronger relationships. Another key feature is the email campaigns and broadcasts. Fluent CRM allows you to design and send one-time broadcasts for newsletters, announcements, or promotions. You can use the drag and drop email builder to create branded templates with text, images, buttons, and personalization tags like first names or product recommendations. Campaigns can be scheduled for later delivery, split tested with different subject lines, and tracked in real time. You maintain complete control of your email strategy without needing a separate SaaS platform. Every broadcast is sent directly from WordPress, saving you money and eliminating the complexity of managing external accounts. Another key feature is the visual marketing automations and drip sequences. Fluent CRM's automation builder lets you create custom workflows with drag and drop simplicity. Triggers can be tied to purchases, form submissions, membership renewals, or course completions. Actions include sending emails, adding tags, removing tags, or waiting for a specified time before the next step. Automation ensures that every subscriber receives timely, relevant messages without manual work. You can welcome new customers with a drip sequence, re-engage inactive subscribers, or send upsell offers after specific purchases, all while you focus on running your business. Another key feature is the deep WordPress plugin integrations. Fluent CRM is built to work seamlessly with the WordPress tools you already use. It integrates with WooCommerce and easy digital downloads to trigger automations based on purchases. It connects to LMS plugins like LearnDash, Lifter LMS, and Tutor LMS to send course-related emails. Because it lives inside WordPress, Fluent CRM has direct access to the actions your users take on your site. This allows for deeper personalization and smarter automations without relying on third-party APIs or complex connectors. Another key feature is the reporting, analytics, and deliverability tools. Fluent CRM provides detailed analytics on every campaign and automation. You can track open rates, click rates, bounces, and unsubscribes, as well as revenue attribution from WooCommerce and other plugins. So you get complete visibility into how your email marketing is performing, and you can optimize campaigns based on real data. Deliverability tools ensure your messages land in inboxes, not spam folders, improving overall ROI. So, why is Fluent CRM a great choice? Fluent CRM stands out in the crowded email marketing space because it's self hosted. Your entire contact database and campaign history remain on your WordPress server, meaning you own your data and aren't locked into monthly fees that grow as your list grows. This is especially valuable for businesses concerned about privacy, compliance, and long term scalability. In 2025, Fluent CRM has added even more capabilities: advanced conditional logic and automations, improved drag and drop email design, and tighter support for e learning platforms. Because it's deeply integrated with WordPress, Fluent CRM also reduces the friction of using separate systems. This saves time, reduces technical issues, and makes it easier to manage all aspects of your customer lifecycle in one place. So basically, Fluent CRM brings enterprise level email marketing and CRM functionality directly into your WordPress site. It empowers you to segment your audience, send personalized campaigns, build automations, and track performance without the cost and complexity of external SaaS systems. So, whether you run an online store, membership community, or digital product business, Fluent CRM can help you engage customers more effectively while maintaining full control of your data. So, if you're ready to simplify your email marketing and scale your business in 2025, Fluent CRM is a powerful tool worth adding to your WordPress toolkit. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.